Jeff is asking why bubble? What is it? So I don't know. You've probably heard like a lot of projects will say like, oh, it's like the WordPress of crypto. It's like the blah 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 of crypto. Okay, yeah, people say these things, but what they really mean is that like the development process is really simple. So Colin actually, when we hired him, he's like, oh, have you guys heard of Bubble? And it's like, no, no, we have not. And it wasn't until we were started to do like a rapid prototype of something that we are like looking at Bubble. And Bubble's actually really good at making very fast and dynamic websites. And at Colin's old business, they actually use Bubble on the back end, and they're selling like mid six-figure contracts to like massive corporations, and they log in as this Bubble page. And so to give like it's kind of like a drag and drop web app creator, but dynamic. Like you can dynamically create new pages. You can dynamically pull information from a database, and it's very straightforward. So the reason why we're integrating it is that it's powerful, and you can do like things such as smart contract construction or sending a transaction, and it's powerful enough to let you do that, but still easy enough to not require any programming. Yeah, that's the thing. There's no programming required. So it's cool. I was like, I never heard about it before, and then Colin was like, yeah, we should do it, and he implemented the plugin. The reason why we implemented the plugin was so that we could create applications really quickly for potential customers and things like that, and so we can like have an interactive experience with them, because when you're developing software, it's a back and forth, right? Like you develop and then you present, you develop and then you present.